A very good morning. Near Mama Kwaba Babija Ahosepe Jumedi. So, world of entertainment. Dear Chago, your fata onino sumuno. Yadi be a sumo ewa say. Still mourning the legend. Deal. Now me more Kwaba dear. Na me bumi di cho. Me need the Sandra or himi ametiwa. Ejumenga me Adom. Entertainment. I me a Ghana for chimwa. Mea menegano. Ghana for atnasie who say. Roma ya sha obapa wa guide omo shede nye bi Jesus sister Sandy ti no mo frame the guys kwala maame Ghana's entertainment prophet asa me bo me home rani na akoye senchine kamfo no ho but still in 2 times that guys yan konsem ne so sena no honorable kokofu ba ye me ye ne senka ye warning no honorable ye ne say advice. Thank you, best remo. Say opinion or that for me. He introduce some. So me say honorable kai kokomlemle heya na eye the woman tie asem no. Abusu ame no ka sense ma start boboba. Ma start can say senko be the mystic twins. Ah omo de hunhum wiase ame de omo ye adwuma oyi kwa kubonsam a omo ne wo ho a e ba na spirituality a omo ehu pa omo nka. To omo na ese mesre mo me ko praise. Minima say me hoshe mystic for na say munti omomra
dim your spirit that didn't look ya bo ma wuton so ya bonda wutosa but yet nimre so say na me be friend no cry no call tell you Shatawali he will go when it's time it's past when its message has been delivered.
Yeah,
not counselors who want to form the name of prophecy and everything then our about to form. A lot of people are going to die early. Some will live long. Living long is not written by God.
Okay.
When you come and deliver your message, you are done. You go. Yes. That's what people don't know. You think if that Lumba had lived up to 70, 80, can the Dimba say?
Are you serious?
Yes.
How?
They would have spoiled his reputation.
Great legends don't live for long.
No. So if you
he lived too long. He lived too long.
Yes. You see what some people, so-called people who have recorded his call, people, so many. You live too long, your reputation, they will turn it over.
Oh.
Yes. Live a beautiful life, fast, beautiful memories, and then exit beautifully.
Say bam. Ntisana etie. Ewo ho. Upe mu nchire mu bia mesrew. Famfa me so. Sanam kai me ko praise bi. Asumdie nkan nyina ko mu page. Omo DM rem. Ko se bia wo bia fa form so dialect. What yento aso still no deal that for me some dey ba say ya. Yes we ha say dey be so mo Efia Odo. Eya ba ya ba kwa nkofo dey tag se ne se ene daddy Lumba because obi akofa mfoni ni bi akola na o just mo dey akola na o ginem ne se Efia Odo ntine ne no ano no Efia Odo e ne papa I mean kan ka kire mo say enye ne se no that the trend ne Odo ne nanam ho ase wo se asa wo nkan fa dey Efia Odo aba bebie mu a kire mu se enye ne se ene daddy Lumba ti efi na number.
So I was gonna totally ignore this, but it's becoming too much. No, I am not Daddy Lumba's biological daughter. Actually, Daddy Lumba is everybody's daddy. Oh, you'll be a papa. Somebody made a rumor from a video that I did when I was working at Questa TV saying that Daddy Lumba is my dad. But then I said I'm just joking because Oyobia Papa is my friend Daddy Lumba. That cloud chaser took my video and clipped it to you know, befit his agenda. And I started woman and said, Lumba, Onye, Daddy Lumba is not my father. But he was everyone's nurturer in a way because Ninyomono Otia Echichiware and the feeling biba omo. It's just there's something so spiritual and something so high, like there's this climax in his music that resonated with all of us. Oh, for bibi mo it's me tie Lumba nyumna achichiware unya and Ahosepe or like or brother moon, like you understand certain things that's happening in your life, you know, it gives and you need to be truthful. And that's what a father does. In Lumba, you'll be a papa. But no, he's not my biological dad. Okay? Mom, what if you know, what if baby what internet and so from Obia on yep legit journalist. Eh?
Hi, ready. What my bro? Yeah, na attention, you dealt so I feel me there way. Oh, my Juman cry again. I'm going to chasso. It's internet work cry. The Mocasa among an intent. Oh, sending yum the Anyan Cacosia a Cosia do I listen to Mary. Any Acosia be the sales department, and as a comedy almost dialect. Ah, yet she be a mopesa mobile news. News and so also, and twasso. Ye, see Lumba of our switch of money near it. Oh, the panocrada from Cayens, ye, Cayensieno, ye, who is she be a take a month more bonus and cacane. Oh, Namunim near it. Nana yere no we amfana ma ye nim no ye nware no na akoko show because na asante fo so de ye nware wo sa de na ese busua ne nim we dangerous makramo wate ye ntie no nyom cheche ye resa ye besremo ba ni say ya people are grieving it no ai ntwitwa so oh Lumba wo fa busua panyi mu a so obi call the okope yo the camera kosi suo central adwuma na konkonse adwuma na na mu ne ye tie bibra
na yire na one ne wo ho na ono no owu wo ne nsam no ne papa mu no se nko ne tubofo ade ne ba bebo abusua se modehye no wawu ya hunu bi sa te ne yire ne sei onim busua ni bia enti eno so mo je ne sen wo se onim busua ni bia kwa ya de ansa na maka ne yire na one ne tie ne de mekura menino nyamini ni pen minino ana minu anam ne mo fa asefo nyina nim enti o mkura duro no meka cha na yire nso omma me ne nkasa wa anyi phone ne mankasa na yire na anje phone wa anyi phone ne mankasa oh na abusia panye udi ya ewo mumu se mo de hye free mu na ani ka meto mo ni mama mo make announcement no na mo mutete no abonten mudi ya mami enu de edi ya o kase pa especially ne me abusia pagini ne yo ba ko nso fra brochire ono nso esu wo social media yeso wo Germany eno ne akosua sewa kusua sewa ne yire akosua sewa ena me abusia pagini menim no de wo Germany no Efia sewa o ameti wo akosua sewa ya eburu au ha semekaya na mejai Yesu nti ento aso yento aso we yim ya we yim dia kan nyina ya me piama nhira femfo no because kumase ye ni sie na aso de den ko he ogidi brown ruti mommy mo nhira fem ho entertainment review ho me jama o mo kumase fo mo nsomu jama mo no pay yento aso ko fogusu throw book of condolence ko for trotro niema na me ofani mponkum chacha kopie mu etra asem de history ai ready ade achi bia ya mo pa asem ma sister Sandy ade achi bia oh ha na ka say no baby say na ade na kum chacha ekotro wa back mo nkọ hwe ade mbra na ye nkọ hwe de otro ye so mbra
Somewhere more yeah. Sure. What you need to get here? That your papi done. Yes, what you done to you? The chocolate are the baby we are. We have to say about such animals.
So how it goes. Tonight a copy and paste be bem. But unim say bia o bia chede na wo use. Mu de munim yen kenkan bi. Obi say copy and paste Pro Max pa o. Obi say we play too much. DL the Asamabo, he go copy dito, including the person's name cry. Necessary air coso. But I keep asking this question. Sabrofu ye kasa. Aya de bia se we ya me bisa. Na kum chacha na wonhro mube. E mube o twendua ene etwa. O prayer we say na ka wo bube wo. Brofu ye kasa was ye de siri obi. Broni nka twinti e me yense no ba me kurom. So kra wo hoje. Ko fa twe, ko twe pen pa, ko ho pa, ko ye den. Nyame na make obi na troy so ko ye den. Me na me ofa na no. Ti ofa ye ntwa so na ye nto anse obi da fom. Oh. Ye wa yem pa ani bra ba sei. Ye nto aso. Oh Jesus, rather my struggle training be. Yeah. Creative arts for the letter by mountain so. Say be vigil nights. I'm a legend no. Kwajon cancer le win. Ghana sini twani abrantie. Etimi aba mountain so. Say ade ntina. Ye de vigil na share data o premier ni sini. Ibrahim Toure ade na meboa. Na hyper wenya wo movie ho kwadwo. Hyper wenya. Already now ni Adom for beef that no. Me hu akwa make asimi. Watch na kwa me ye beef no double. Hyper wenya wo movie ho. Dressed na no mo ya Ashanti Fesia, Honorable Frank, Ashanti Regional Minister ye UPA. Send ankofo budget wo so. Aya na minim de opa biem. Eti wo movie ninti no ma ya nye vigil no. Na hu kra say wutimi kwadwom obi aton tomatoes, but obi adi dwa pepepe na wapon no ko. Minim a location kwa we movie, but I can bet you say people love you so much and they will come. Why the guy say Lumba vigil in obi ma way. Ah we wuti hu nisuo wa. Eh ruti ma me frɛ papa no. Mon sha de ne ba.
VIP me my back be from there 2 months ni. I did this abesi. Me bre obi support back to back. This premier start here. I got that them issue. Prayer be we prayer be obo Diego ewi hey ti say Thomas Pate asema ba yi kudus ya tono ti say obi wrestling obi wrestling we na say on si we ti say issue be na basa se move in stronger anka kene no last minute ya ba so obani ya ba so mewo ya ba so premier ka be found this bet Lumba se mewo Lumba se mewo come on tell me the package see and I'm not a legend Adom 33 albums ni nyina hete
one say woni ye beef by ya station I'll say take kasa wo say Adom for frɛ wa wo ma ba love ho na out no aye sister station ho say ya because munya abokyere with media no because ensa ko ne nsaba krek na menu akuma ma me boatema afro na me ma Adom for na Saliman ne so love na wuti won say information wo tena love akwa echi da edru ha me kama on tino sa ne ye adwumen a me kan a me kwa we kwa me say boss ni hu dahuru ma kwadwo oh go and sit down ati wo bia wu go and sit down kwatena se ne nto ade no so ye be ye vigil no o move no so be koso ye wie vigil ye be ba ho mutimi ye anopa de mutimi ye adwum ye be ba ni nyina what is your problem? We will support it. We are even supporting it. So please, respectfully, go and sit down. Yentwaso. Kofo ye tribute. Lumba da form eni braba achipalago. Mufasa. Mia mi American brother. Osi man. Hey. I broach it for man. I'm so sad right now. I got to try. Wait, no, I'm slay because the writing in actually said or slay. Bronze no was slay. I said, man, I'm so sad right now. I got to try and do a tribute song for the legendary Daddy Lumba or Sacrum's finest child, Squadron for Sue. May you rest in peace. Ebufuaba replied him. Obviously, if you release it, we will all come together and report your account. Mama yensu in peace. Mommy and can comment. Say a best super in peace. Etie makra mo me yaka kwantom ni ade de adodwe ho de dey. What say we don't want any noise pollution. Oh. Actually, oh my God, this is hilarious. Actually, I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing at the comments. Obviously, maybe I didn't see it here, so and I'm many. Obviously, we can't be sad in peace. What I'm making. So be a way around. We be soon the Mama yensu. Go get this and come esre. At yet be. Obviously, I agree on that. I'm sorry. Obviously, your papa cry. Want to mean you're tributes. Obviously, someone should tag me when he really. I was here. Mommy just because a whole incoming Grammy winner. And I'm more training. Mobile achibufu no janyum to or jai pen to jai studio Ghana music ya home train. Because radio ye o moli adiso. Oh mama yan tabo e nechi ama yan fa odo an support na ama na nkwaje Grammys na ama. Music industry no ebe yire. Oh timon support ya chipalago. Because faneten na katum guy no starting and ono na starting fufu adverts. Billboard Kumasi Udru so I'm run about achipalago we train di so onye na ba na mu de na di ago mu fasa fa ne ten akatum dog yomo de so ma no party unu ya ba na e kase dog yomo ne nto aso abusu adru petition so petition aba my ready aba ne mpanifo no pa me chiamo patcho me di sister Sandy me na make say me no say kromfo na emu apamotwo say Kumasi for kasa ba ku bi kwad wo ye jollof minister okwa yi ase kodi jollof mesre mo no ntie yi pese ye de be Kumasi penifo honorable Frank yenim de wo ye wo bo homodi wo Kumasi yen o say krom ye te wo nyina ye bibi ye mu nyina ye kwa memene da se ye twen ye wo park so ase jollof musie ye be wie ye be di jollof so loku 6 o'clock won kwala na die mu nananom yetimi twa brisi kobne de na wo se ekuro bentimi nye ye be sire mo petition ya ba me ne ya adwen wo se ye Kumasi fo ayie Charles Kojo fo sukra santini de hye mo fa ne mra na ye nsu no ye yetimi han krofo kra besu ye ni abre ye se be pa mo twa ani diem penifo mu ntie sufre no mo kwa yi ase kodidi nyina especially jollof minister boy wonya bi eni ti adesrede ade to manim from Charlie honie was this is for Kumasi I had him in nya adwen was let Accra wait for Shatawale yes mo janka wanim but so just say e hono de me no wonya adwen be ye ne Kumasi de Stefano mama say kutu say bam eni abre papa ye ti mi to ye bo eyi nkunya yes oh dear man because we know yes say kutu say no se kokosho na ye fe ye ni ago maybe de bia park bia so ye ma Kumasi ye ni mayi yo ye tie yi ase ye for fans oh my happy birthday Kwama Vivian Dede Frankie Chema or your chorista or Sacred Hearts or Catholic Church here wa would do me hoy was say happy birthday in Kwama Vivian Dede way for your choir master ho Frank go feature asempa or multimedia has say or say happy birthday and come out well be Kofi Ampanu su Chema or share na brand here music ministry we celebrate you David almost take territories hey my sorry hospital my guy birthday flyer hey praise before mon sorry na montini na make us funny happy birthday brother Dave fresh boy I mean sure mo pay happy birthday abutu the best say kutu say bam Kumasi for mon so mame root ne asanka boyoyo mo me mpanifo mo nyina okukumo you pass over, take over. Me need a sister Sandy be a guy na Eugenia Baden. I will make up department on the tree my name the mammy Daniel and Uncle Thomas is cinematographer so we try me go Stefano a sound engineer MC a ukoko drum hono a well be Kofi Ampedu supervising in answer the be able to akwemu Mark Weber I am a director OPD the fair lady with the afro I am a producer I'm the guy's queen 2 times a guy guys me no macrow